March had many new videos added to the library by the virtual productions team, all designed with the best tips on installation, troubleshooting, and product knowledge in mind. First, a new 8800 dual weep hole window installation video has been released. In this video, viewers will learn how to properly and easily remove and install an 8800 series window. This process is clearly demonstrated step by step, helping reduce guesswork while reinforcing correct techniques that support quality, efficiency, and confidence during installation. Next, our refrigerator video library has seen a significant boost, with expanded content focused on the 16 and 20 cubic foot DC refrigerator models, walking users through different component replacements and teaching diagnostic know-how. These new videos provide clear guidance and helpful insights that support troubleshooting, operation, and service understanding for some of our most commonly used refrigerator platforms. Now let's throw it over to Mark to see what's new in TechPubs.
Thanks, Jason. The technical publications team has released several important documents and resources to support owners, technicians, and service teams. First, updates have been made to the hydraulic through-frame slide-out owner's manual. These updates reflect the proper manual override sequence. In addition, updates were made to TI 208 to clearly show the proper zero-point method for level-up leveling, helping improve accuracy and consistency during setup and service procedures. Next, several brand new documents have been released, including the HappyJack Hybrid Lift Owner's Manual. This comprehensive manual details everything from component descriptions to troubleshooting and maintenance guidance. It offers clear insight into the system along with helpful visuals and outlines the possible different system configurations, making it a valuable resource for understanding and servicing the product. Finally, several new component pages have been added for products such as Solid Step 3.0, Slim Rack Plus, and the low profile bed slide. These pages include images of the components with each system and provide corresponding part numbers to make identification and ordering easier. You can find all of these resources and many more from the support site. Now let's check in with Lauren and see what's new and the technical training team.
Thanks, Mark. Spring is officially here, and we are so excited to share some upcoming in-person training opportunities for both RV owners and technicians. Registration is now open for our one-day lecture-based RV owner seminars in Las Vegas, Nevada, and Hershey, Pennsylvania. If hands-on learning is more your style, we encourage you to explore our three-day RV owner schools held at our Indiana facility. These immersive sessions offer in-depth, hands-on training with Lippert products and more than 50 class options to choose from. Spots are filling up quickly for these events, so be sure to secure yours today. We also have hands-on training opportunities for RV technicians. Our service schools in May, June, and July provide direct instruction from Lippert experts, along with the chance to earn credit for your time spent training with us. If traveling to Indiana isn't an option for you, we're also hosting in-person seminars across the U.S. Current locations include Georgia, North Carolina, and Nevada, with additional events in Florida and Pennsylvania opening up soon. These are just a few highlights from this last month and for what is coming up here at the Technical Institute. From our engaging YouTube channels to the comprehensive online learning platform of our Technical Institute and our ever-helpful support site, we've got you covered. Each resource is thoughtfully designed to inspire, educate, and empower. Whether you're just starting your RV journey or you're a seasoned technician, there's something valuable for everyone. Don't forget to join us next time as we explore our latest releases. We look forward to seeing you there.